Is using his side hustle to help beautify local businesses in the 901 now by gifting free pressure washing services.
Yeah, Joyce, he does it all out of the kindness of his heart to give back to the community and help those who may need it. He recently took his cleaning equipment to the Mound, Orange Mound. Action News 5's Taylor Tucker has his story.
From setup to breakdown, it's a one-man job.
I like to add value to people. When I think about like service-based businesses for myself, if I'm paying my money, I want to be taken care of. And so I want to operate my business off that as well.
The business in question, pressure washing.
If I'm being honest, it's something about just instant gratification. Like you see a property, you see a surface or something like that, and I can literally transform that dirty surface within minutes.
For Artez Henderson, some services are for profit, some simply a kind gesture, asking for nothing in return. Just last month, video shows Henderson at one of his favorite local restaurants, the Four Way, doing what he does best, free of charge.
Gratitude, gratefulness. She sent me a text with all caps just thanking me for cleaning their property. And again, that's a business that I've eaten at in the past. And I was just excited to be down there, to use my resources to give back in that way.
When Action News 5 stopped by to see Henderson, he was hard at work on a paid assignment. Henderson says no matter the job, his overall goal aligns with beautifying the businesses in his community.
Memphis has its issues, but it's a lot of beautiful things and beautiful people about the city. And so when I think about small businesses, they already have a lot of things going on, as far as overhead and things like that. And so just to give back, it's just a small way to be a blessing to somebody else. I just got my mind on different businesses, throughout the city. And when I have the availability, definitely want to reach out, ask them, can I bless them? And I haven't been turned down yet, so that's a pretty good feeling.
In the 901 now, Taylor Tucker, Action News 5.
Yeah, who's going to turn down clean sidewalks and driveways? That's awesome. So far, Henderson has gifted 3 free cleaning sessions to local businesses. Very nice.